Hello, hi, this is Mooji right here with this 2016 Ford Fusion Hybrid, and I am here at my mechanic. It's point 24/7 in Los Angeles, in Pacoima area, Arleta area in the valley in Los Angeles, California. And so I had a light that popped up here that said tire monitor kit. It said tire monitor kit, and he checked it for me, and apparently over here in the trunk, on the trunk in the back, there is supposed to be a kit that comes with the vehicle right underneath here. That kit comes with the vehicle, and it has some gadgets for being able to service the tires, and so it wasn't there. So there's the system noticed that kit is not there, so that's why that square, it was like a square that popped up. And so what he did is he reset it, and everything worked. It went away, and he said that it's reset for like 4 years, and so it's not gonna come back again for 4 years. So just in case you're wondering and that comes up for you and you don't know what it is, I hope that this helps you. And by the way, if you need any kind of work on your car or diesel truck, these guys here are amazing. I'm gonna make another video about them.